Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing well. Let's listen some beautiful words. Don't judge my story by the chapter you walked in on. Don't listen to what people say, watch what they do. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. For every dark night, there is a brighter day. If you love the wrong person so much, how much will you love the right person? You cannot follow your heart when it is more confused than your head. Always be little kinder than you need to be. Your kind words cost nothing, so spend them freely. Courage does not mean you don't get afraid. Courage means you don't let fear stop you. Far too much people are looking for the right person instead of trying to be the right person. Sometimes you have to accept the fact that certain things will never come back to how they used to be. Let's go somewhere and never come back again. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.